my contacts to get wet. Honey, don't. Okay, honey, that's enough. Seriously, my hair is soaking wet. Stop it! Watch the language. If you don't want our kids to hear swear words, stop right now. Your parents are none of that goes on Facebook, Steven.
Too late.
That was pretty cool. Did you see that? Can I do it?